Hey everyone, it's Mr. Hayden here. I wanted to speak a little bit about the 6 different electives in computer science here at the high school and strongly encourage everybody to consider taking one of them. All right, the first elective is Intro to Computer Science. So this is a full year course that anyone can enroll in, and in it you'll learn how to program and code in the Java programming language. And you'll do this by creating many projects and completing programming assignments like strategy games or 2D animated video games like Connect 4 Flappy Bird. And most of your time will be spent in class working on projects with much less time in traditional lecture format. And finally, you get to be creative, come up with your own game ideas, and even pick themes for your projects. So this is a very fun class. I enjoy teaching every year. The next class is AP Computer Science A. So this is a very rigorous course that is really intended for students who are interested in pursuing STEM majors in college. Um, there's no prerequisite, and you don't need to have taken Intro to Computer Science, but you do need to be a very serious student to succeed in it. Um, you'll learn college level programming in the Java programming language and be prepared to take the AP Computer Science A exam. Some of the projects in the course involve playing card game War and the strategy game 8-20-48. And about half of the class time will be spent working on these projects. Okay, then we have AP Computer Science Principles. So AP Computer Science Principles is also a full year course for academically oriented students, but maybe students who aren't interested in a STEM major, but may be interested in majoring in business or liberal arts. Although STEM people interested in STEM majors may also take the class. There is no prerequisite, and you don't need to have taken Intro to Computer Science or AP Computer Science A. In fact, you can take some of them simultaneously, although I would suggest taking Intro to Computer Science first if you're going to take the others. You'll really learn the impact of technology on society, and in doing so, you'll also be learning some basic programming in JavaScript, although programming is only one small component of the class. You'll also be performing research and creating a portfolio of these projects, and will be being prepared for the AP Computer Science Principles exam. Okay, the next one is Intro to Robotics. So this is also a full year course for students who are interested in designing, building, and programming toaster-sized VEX robots. There's no prerequisite, and you'll learn a lot about electrical sensors, the C programming language, and also mechanical devices. This is a lab-based class, and most of the time you'll be working on building and programming robots that will accomplish real-world tasks like picking up and moving soup cans around, shooting ping pong balls, or maybe even climbing the stairs. You'll also learn about new robotics technologies, and will be performing some basic research on some emerging technologies. The class also does have several BattleBot style competitions, and most students really get a kick out of this. All right, so the next course is video game design. So this is a full year or half year course for students interested in learning about the video game design and development process, both 2D and 3D video games. There's no prerequisite course, and it's for really students of all grades. You'll learn to use the Unity game engine to create animated 2D and 3D games and animations. You'll also learn a little bit about the C# programming language, and most of the class time will be spent working on these projects. Okay, and finally, Intro to Cybersecurity. So this is a half-year course for students interested in learning about cybersecurity and how it impacts our daily lives. There's no prerequisite. You'll learn about methods cyber criminals use to attack individuals, companies, government agencies. And you'll also learn about password authentication, hashing, phishing, social engineering, encryption, hacking, and cryptography. And most of class time will be spent having class discussions, performing research, and working on online projects. So those are the 6 courses, and if you have any questions about any of them, please don't hesitate to stop by P249 and talk to me. I'm here most of the time, and I'll be happy to give you more information. Um, we strongly encourage all students to take at least one computer science class while you're here at the high school. It will really do a lot to prepare you for college and the workplace, and will have benefits in your other classes as well. All right, good luck and hope to see you in class next year.